Hi everyone, warm welcome to all. Today it's about the planetary transit of the month of June. And June has very fast changing energies. All the fast moving planets change their signs, and along with them, the most benefic planet, Jupiter, getting exalted, and Mars also changing its sign. So almost everyone can feel the life is moving into some different rhythm with new energies. The biggest change and a powerful moment will be with exalted Jupiter entering Cancer sign on 2nd of June. Jupiter in Cancer can bring more focus to our family, home, having emotional healing, caring for everything, our food habits, the protection that we have in our life, our children, their education, our education, the faith that we carry in our life, the blessings of life, our property, vehicles, and the need to feel emotionally safe will trigger more. But this month is not only about Jupiter. Venus also enters Cancer sign on 8th of June. And on 9th of June, Venus joins Jupiter at 1 degree in Cancer. The two most benefic planets are having conjunction in the most emotional sign of Cancer. And this gives some soft blessing in our life, a feel good factor. It can bring support, love, family bonding, comfort, healing, beauty of life with complete devotion, care, and emotional warmth. Another benefic planet, that is Mercury, also enters Cancer sign on 22nd of June, and by 29th of June gets retrograde at 2 degrees of Cancer in Punarvasu, Jupiter's nakshatra. This is very important as Mercury gets retrograde very close to the same early Cancer area where Jupiter and Venus joins together earlier. So the starting degree of Cancer, that is 1 degree, becomes strongly activated here. Do check if you have any planets near 1 degree in your chart. That means something that felt blessed, emotional, supportive, or promising earlier in June may still need some review by end of the month when Mercury gets retrograde. A conversation may need to be repeated, maybe. A family decision may need some more clarity with more discussions, revised discussions. A relationship promise, our money matters, home plans, everything related to Cancer, our emotional expectations, or our personal choices may need to be reworked or revised. So, Cancer gives blessing here, but it also asks us to slow down before finalizing everything. If we look at the overall transit of June month, June has two clear layers here. The first layer is emotional with Cancer sign and Cancer becoming very significant. We may become more sensitive, protective, family oriented, and more aware of what gives us comfort in our life and emotional stability, security. This can bring healing conversations, care from loved ones, a stronger desire to create emotional security. But because Cancer is so active, feelings can also become louder. We may take things very personally, emotionally. Small words can touch deep emotions. See, caring is good here, but over attachment is not. Emotional honesty, emotional conversations is good, but emotional reactions should be avoided here, which is quite possible. The second layer is very fast moving here. Gemini also becomes very active when Sun enters Gemini on 15th of June. Expect more communication, travel, more business activities, writing, expressing ourselves fully, learning something new, having a lot of meetings, calls, messages, some paperwork, taking major decisions, anything related to media, and short term changes can happen. But because Mercury turns retrograde also later in the month, all Gemini and Mercury related matters may need some rechecking, especially our emotions related to those matters. Also, our siblings, neighbors, and daily decisions may need some correction here. So here our heart and mind both becomes very active. One part of us wants safety, belonging, comfort, and emotional support. Another part wants some movement, answers, making some choices, having deep communications, and also quick progress. That is why June can feel both soft and restless at the same time. The first half can feel slower, as if life is preparing us internally here. But the second half becomes more active, especially after Jupiter enters Pushya Nakshatra, Saturn's Nakshatra, on 18th of June. See, Jupiter in Pushya brings nourishment, blessings, and growth that can sustain life, but also demands us to be responsible towards all those blessings. Jupiter also connects Saturn in Pisces. So, blessings need maturity here. Our faith must become practical. Care should be steady in nature. In all these, our actions can be very grounded as Mars entering Taurus can help us act practically now. But it can also increase the stubbornness in us. Taurus is a fixed sign. So, staying flexible is very important. If we become fixed in our opinions, in our action, then even small matters can become heavy. Lastly, just before Sagittarius full moon, Mercury turns retrograde. This is not the time to rush any final results. Some truths may be revealed here, but some details may still need review. So, the overall impact of June is emotional, but it is redirecting us also. Now, let us see how June may impact us personally. Watch closely Gemini and Cancer sign in our personal charts. That's where we can expect some change or some rework also. This is the time to learn how to care, how to speak, choose, make decisions, and how to grow in a more emotionally mature manner. And for that, our heart needs wisdom, understanding. June begins slowly, but it does not remain slow throughout. It gradually opens into greater moments, some deeper conversations, feelings, decisions, and a stronger need to choose life with maturity. Start with Aries. For Aries, June may make you think more about your peace of mind, your home, and the people who matters emotionally to you. You may feel like fixing something that has been ignored in your living space, around your environment, and within your family understanding also. The second half can become busier with calls, messages, some short travels, documentation work, or some important conversations also. Toward end of the month, do recheck your messages, your plans, whatever you have done earlier, and the family discussions before reacting on anything. Definitely avoid speaking in anger. Be flexible, move with patience, and keep your routine simple and let clarity arrive slowly and gradually. Taurus, June can make you more expressive, active, and ready to take decisions now. You may feel a need to speak up, learn something new, travel frequently, plan your things, and handle practical matters that were pending so far. A personal reset is also possible around your health, your confidence, your financial matter, or your own self worth. Toward end of the month, something connected with your documentation, communication, travel, or some decisions may need revision. Avoid your stubborn reactions. Use this month to build better habits and take steady actions without forcing everything upon you. Gemini, June can feel very personal for you. You may feel more visible, alert, busier, and expressive in your approach. People may expect your opinion, your decisions, or your leadership. So your words will carry more weight than usual. Money, savings, any family matters, your food habits, your speech, and self respect can also become very important here. This time can be very good for planning your income, improving any new skills, speaking with confidence, or making a practical choice. But toward end of the month, old talks, your previous plans, your payments, some messages, or your personal decisions may need to be revised. Do not rush to prove anything here. Mature handling means choosing clarity over any speedy things. Cancer. This is one of the most important months for you. You may feel more noticed, supported by people, being little sensitive, hopeful, and ready for a new personal chapter of your life. Your confidence can slowly rise, and people may come forward for advice, for comfort, for love, and for understanding also. But toward end of the month, something personal may come back for some review, a promise, some relationship matter, some family conversations, your money comfort, your health choices, or your emotional expectations may need more time to get fulfilled here. Avoid over giving here, being people pleasing, or reacting from sensitivity. It is best to speak gently and choose what truly nourishes you from within. Leo, June feel quieter in the beginning, but internally it can be very meaningful. You may need more rest, private planning, healing, or time away from unnecessary noise. Some old worries may come up so they can be cleared now. The second half can reconnect you with your friends, some helpful people, some new audience, or your new future goals. Toward end of the month, recheck your expenses, your private conversations, your plans, your travel plans, and also your hidden stress or any fear. Avoid unnecessary spending or any emotional drama here. Give yourself space first, then reconnect with the right people. So, right people can come in your life. Virgo, June can support new connections, friends, desires, getting you new clients, better audience, some social circles, and long term plans. Helpful people can also enter into your life, or some old connections may become useful again. Work can also become busier, and you may also ask to show more responsibility in your life. This can be very good for progress, but avoid taking too many commitments just to prove yourself. Toward end of the month, some group plans, maybe some online promises, some clients talk, or your work discussion may need to be revised. Stay practical to turn all your these plannings into a steady growth. It's very important to be detail oriented but also practical. Libra. This month can bring attention to your career, your reputation, giving some new responsibilities, having better public image, and bigger goals in life. You may receive all the support from everyone, but also more expectations. Travel, some new learning, better guidance, or important paperwork can also come into focus now. Toward end of the month, your professional decisions, commitments, some documentation, or public conversation may need rechecking. Avoid saying yes before checking your own capacity here. Do not let work pressure disturb your emotional peace. Be kind, but keep your boundaries. Mature choices can help you move toward a more respected position then. Scorpio, June can open your mind towards new learning, travel, guidance, refine your faith, teaching, and bringing some new and expansive life's direction. You may feel that a new belief or some new plan is forming inside you. Your relationship, partnerships may also need patience because others may have strong opinions. Toward end of the month, your travel plans, your study decisions, long-term talks or guidance from others may need to be reviewed. Avoid forcing people to agree with you here. Listen first, then decide. Growth comes when you stay honest, flexible, and wise with good understanding. Sagittarius, June may bring deeper emotional and financial matters forward in your life. Matters related to your finances, loans, taxes, your partner's income, some hidden secrets, maybe healing, your hidden fears, or your inner change may need attention now. By end of the month, your feelings can become very clear to you. You may understand what you are ready to release now, or what truth you must accept in your life now. But do not rush any financial decisions here. Recheck all the paperwork, your private details, your payments, bills, or any sensitive conversations. Avoid any risky choices here, any hidden stress and emotional extremes. Face the month with calm self respect first, and rest will follow. Capricorn, June can strongly highlight your relationships, your marriage, your business partnerships, any new agreements that you might get into, and also your all one on one connections. Support can come through others, but others may also bring new expectations in your life. You may need to understand what people truly need from you without losing your own peace of mind. Toward end of the month, a relationship, some promise related to that, some client matter or some agreement that you must have made or some important conversation may need some revising, some reworking. Avoid coldness in any case. Speak clearly. Leave controlling things or one-sided decisions. Choose cooperation rather, but do not ignore your own emotional needs. Aquarius, June demands you to improve your daily life, your work routine. Take care of your health, your responsibilities, any debt related matter, your service environment, your employees, any competition that you might get into, and your problem solving approach. All these can become very active. This is a very good month to fix your habits, organize your schedule, and handle practical duties. But toward end of the month, your work details, your health routine, your staff matters, anything related to payment, bills, or your daily planning may need some correction. Do not let your emotional stress affect your body, your health. Avoid irritation over small things. Do keep in mind that a steady routine will protect your energy and your confidence better than anything. Pisces, June can support creativity, children, your romantic life, your education, joy in your life, your performance in everything, your devotion towards your learning, and your self expression. You may feel very hopeful, inspired, or ready to reconnect with something that makes your heart feel lighter. At the same time, your home, your family, anything related to property, vehicle, or your emotional matters may also need your attention. Toward end of the month, a creative project or some idea, some study plan, some romantic conversation, something related to child related matters, or some family decision may need some review. Avoid any confusion or promising more than you can give. Let your heart open, but keep your choices grounded here. That was sign wise guidance for everyone. Overall, June is a month of emotional shift, very fast movement, some new direction, blessings, and also reworking on certain things. Jupiter entering Cancer brings a major blessing and makes Cancer very powerful and significant throughout the month. But Jupiter entering Pushya Nakshatra connects those blessings with discipline and also with responsibility. Simultaneously, Mercury turning retrograde says some blessings need time, some words needs correction, and our choices need review. So this month asks us to move with maturity. Don't just rush into anything only because the energy is shifting. Also, do not panic if something needs to be revised here. Sometimes delay is not denial. And sometimes reworking on something is the way that the blessing becomes stronger. So, this is the time to protect our peace, speak gently, recheck all the important details, stay practical, and let this month open a more nourishing chapter ahead in our life. That was all about this powerful month of June. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for being here. Wishing you all the best with this June month. Do share your experiences in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.